I heard something the other day on the news. An individual that I used to really like watching, one of the Partridge Family stars, and I liked his music and stuff. His name was David Cassidy. We're going to look up the day of his passing on my sacred 24/364 calendar song. We're going to discover that on my calendar it takes place in the 9th month here. Alright, so when I look on the flip side of my calendar, I see in here the 9th month begins November 19 and ends December 18. So in there we'll find November 21. So what we want to do is we want to count November 19, 20, 21. So the 21st connects here. Now, then I take my calendar and I look up the matrix and I write out a matrix, and it reveals, this is my music matrix. So you see this here is a tone of 528. It's a healing tone, 528. Down here we see 963. 963 is the most spiritual of the 9 tones. And we see this here's a day sign of the twins, and if we look 963 there, but in the material world stream, November 21st, we see another 963. Alright, now this here U is telling us things. So November 21, we see this matrix here. Now if I do, he was born in New York City, New York. Alright, we see that equals 399. 3 plus 9 plus 9 is 21. That's the letter U. CLU are always connected. So that U right here is saying he was born in New York City, New York. Okay, who? All we got is he was born. So when we look at the matrix that we did, we notice some bracketed letters here. Like day 2 of the week, the B gets the bracket. Day 3, the C gets the bracket. Month day 3, the C gets the bracket. Month day 4, the D gets the bracket. And when we look at this, we can see David and Bruce, right? We see the twins, the C and the C. So we've got David, Bruce, Cassidy. David Cassidy, because these two spiritual days are always connected to the material day. David, Bruce, Cassidy. David, Bruce, Cassidy. So we got, in actuality, we got twins again that connect here. Alright? So, on this day, every year, on November 21st, this matrix, this part of the music, part of the song, will be evident. So if you were born November 21st, you may want to write out this matrix. Alright? Now, when I do David Cassidy passes on today, it equals 293. 293 gives us our simple English gematria value. Now, we don't have 293 letters in the alphabet, so we have to add this and reduce it down to the first letter we come to. So 2 plus 9 plus 3 is 14. That would be the letter N. So the N gets highlighted there. E and W always connect. Now, if we take the 293 times 6, gives us 1758. This gives us our English Sumerian value. We add those together, it gives us 21, so the U gets the bracket there. And so David Cassidy passes on today. David Cassidy passes on today. That's what the U is telling us. All right? And it's the most spiritual frequency, 963. And we can look into the matrix though now. In Fort Lauderdale, Florida, USA, from organ failure, David Cassidy passes on today. You see how the letters are adding to what this U is telling us. All right, now going back to this little mini matrix, so 293 gives us N, 1758 gives us U. Now we add these two together, which gives us this bottom one, 35. 3 and 5 are 8, that's the letter H, so we put an H in there. Cassidy equals 80, 8 plus 0 is 8, that's H. So this H is saying Cassidy. And David Bruce is 89, 8 plus 9 is 17, that's Q. So David Bruce Cassidy, Hospital, November 21. Okay? So, and once you learn this stuff, now every November 21st, you can have a little memorial for David Cassidy. Notice the M on here for memorial, matrix, mathematical. The word calendar has the letter root of M. So I can point to the M there and say calendar, calendar matrix, memorial, mist, man. So anyway, I just wanted to share this matrix with you to show that none are lost and that everything was previously calculated and designed. Thank you.